Hi, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I wanted to address consistency today. We have so many things lined up to do in all our personal lives. I'm sure you have all kinds of agendas and, things to accomplish. But with life, there are some interruptions, and we shouldn't be surprised when that happens. That is part of life. But the question is, can you stay on track? Because consistency over a long period of time, that is where the magic happens. That's where you'll find the real results. Because some things may take a little while to actually show real tangible results, and you'll have to stick to it, because not only will you get results, but you'll be trained. You will have to become the person with that character, with that personality. Other things will be developing: patience, resilience, so consistency in your given goal or your given purpose is very key. You remain on the task, you do the task. Of course, if you get in a guidance that it's time to jump off the bandwagon, that's fine. But if you know that's where you're supposed to be, that is your lane, to create something in that path, to accomplish your goals in that path. Yes, once you get a few distractions, always come back. I always call them rabbit trails, right? When life happens and it throws you off, you go through this rabbit trail. Remember to circle back and come back on track. That's where your written goals will really help. Because when you're not sure where you are, you can always go back and read and see where you broke off, where you left the vision and went and did other things. You come back, see where you are, modify if you have to, and get back on track. But you have to be consistent. You have to apply patience. You have to be resilient. That's why those who make it in the top 5-10%, you will look at them as exceptional. Why? They've done all these things. Because just because you're running after a goal or a vision, it doesn't mean life is not happening. It does. Life does happen and interruptions do happen. But those who have the guts to get back and continue on make the difference between the 10% and everybody else. So I know you are a world changer. I know you're a history maker. I know you're a pace setter. If you had put away your vision, for some reason you got distracted and went off track, here is an opportunity. Bring your vision out. Look at it again. Get back on track. Start again. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay to start even afresh if everything was lost. It's okay to start afresh and keep on, but keep in your mind that you have to stay on it. For it may take a while, depending on how big your vision is, because sometimes it's funny. You may start off maybe serving just your little city, and as you develop and grow and strengthen, God increases you. Now you're going to 2 cities, 3 cities. Now you're covering a country. Now you're covering nations, But it's all a process. It goes in levels. As you strengthen, you can add on more. You can take on more responsibility. Your system of doing things has improved. So you get, your expansion of compassion and love for others and serving others. You've perfected the way you do things. So expansion happens. Well, consistency is key. Staying on track is key. As always, it's Mother Eagle. Let's go in. Let's fly high. Be the best version of yourself. Don't compromise. If God made you a certain way, be that. Let go of the programming, whatever it is. Let go of how things should be done. Do it the way your heart tells you to do it, because that's the right way for your life purpose. It may not be like everybody else. Can you imagine if I tried to do things like everybody else? It would never work. I tried. I tried, writing articles like other people write, trying to use their voice and tone, and I'm like, forget it, it's too hard. Just be Mother Ego and do it your way, just the way you were. It's easier. So when I'm recording these videos, I'm having so much fun because it's just me, raw. Well, have a good day. It's Mother Ego here. Love you all. Bye.